How to use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you exactly how to use that sweet 20 USDT coupon you might have snagged on Bybit. The Bybit 20 USDT coupon code is a discount voucher worth 20 Tether USDT, which is like $20 that can be used to reduce trading fees on the Bybit crypto exchange. So to use Bybit 20 USDT coupon, first, let's head to the Bybit website. If you have not registered yet, you will need to create an account. It's a straightforward process. I'll leave you the registration link in the description. Simply enter your details and verify your email. All right, with your account ready, here's how to find your 20 USDT coupon. Log into your Bybit account. You'll find yourself on the Bybit dashboard. Here you can see an overview of your assets, trading options, and more. To redeem your coupon, go to the Rewards section. You can find this under your profile icon at the top right, and here you just need to click on My Rewards. In the Rewards section, go to My Tasks. You'll see your 20 USDT coupon. Click on Claim next to it. A pop-up will appear telling you that your 20 USDT coupon are claimed successfully. Great! You've successfully redeemed your 20 USDT coupon. Now, the 20 USDT will be credited to your account. To use the coupon, simply click the Use. This will activate the coupon on your account. You can use this bonus for trading on Bybit. Whether you're looking to go long or short on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies, this coupon gives you a head start. With these simple steps, you can easily use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. Your 20 USDT coupon are claimed successfully, ready to use it. And this is how to use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. If you have any questions about Bybit 20 USDT coupon, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.